In today's lecture, we are just going to dispatch update password action, and finally user will be able to update the password. We will access some state values. I will access success. I will access loading. I will access error, and here I will be passing this use selector. Inside this, I'm just going to write state.user. Below this, create one variable. Variable name, I will be passing dispatch. Inside this, I'm just going to assign use dispatch hook. And also below this, I will create one variable. For this, I'm just going to assign use navigate hook. So once the password is updated successfully, I should be redirected to profile page. So that is the reason I am using this hook. Now here, as soon as my form is submitted, inside this, I'm just going to dispatch the action. Here, action name, I will be passing update password, and I have to import from this user slice. Hit enter. This action will be imported, and inside this, I have to pass this form data. Inside this user slice, we are accepting only one argument. You can see, and that entire data we are having inside this my form. Now, I'm just going to open update profile. From here, I will copy this entire error use effect, and below this, I'm just going to paste. Remove last letter, hit enter, use effect will be imported. Then for this, remove last letter, hit enter, remove errors will be imported. And also, I will remove last letter, hit enter, post will be imported. Now save this. First, let us check whether we are able to access errors or not. Let me come to project. Here, I will be passing some random password. Click on update password. Okay, we are not having any errors. Let me inspect. We are having this failed to load the resources. Let me open DevTool. Inside this, we are having update password. Update password rejected. And inside this payload, we are having message as well. Okay, for this, we have passed the middleware, if you remember. So what I will do, I will come to update password. Inside this, I will be passing message. So what I will do, I will come to user slice, and inside this, I'm just going to access message. Now I will be giving some random password. Click on update. Okay. Now successfully, I am able to get the result. Old password is incorrect. Now I will be giving correct old password, but this new password and confirm password, it is not matching. Click on update. I will have password does not match. Now I will be giving old password correct. New password, I will only give 7 characters. Confirm password also, I will be giving 7 characters. Click on update. I will have user validation field. Password should be greater than 8 characters. Okay. All the errors we are able to handle. Now let me come to update password. And from update profile, I will copy this. And below this, I will be pasting. Here I will write password updated successfully. Okay. Because for successful message, we are not having any message property. So manually, we are going to pass. And finally, we are going to render this loader component. This entire thing we will wrap inside parenthesis. And again, along with parenthesis, we will add JavaScript. And above this, we will be adding these fragments, copy, and below this paste. And inside this, we will check if loading is true, then what we have to render? We have to render loader component. Hit enter. Now come to project. Old password, I will be passing the correct one. New password. Okay, now everything is correct. I will click on update password. Inspect. I am having remove success is not defined. Remove last letter. Hit enter. Remove success will be imported. Now you can see I got the message password updated successfully. Now again let us change. Okay, now everything is correct. Click on update password. I will have password updated successfully and I will be redirected to profile page. Here I will be passing updated. Now easily user can update or change their password, and this will only happen if the user is logged in.